Tricks to using affiliate marketing correctly and effectively. Unlike those infomercial get-rich-quick schemes, many people have made serious profits with affiliate marketing. Take your time and do the research that will help your business turn profitable returns. Apply the tips in this video to start seeing positive results from affiliate marketing business ventures. When you try to make money through affiliate advertising, it is important that you stay up to date with all of the new trends and outlets to make money. Many affiliate advertising programs change, making it important that you stay on top of what is going on with the programs that are available. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. Harness the power of scarcity in your endeavors. People respond to offers with time limits or with certain limited volumes. If you use a scarcity plan though, make sure to follow through. Your repeat visitors will see if you said an offer was for 2 days only and it's still up 2 weeks later. Keep your role in mind. As an affiliate marketer, you do not have to be a hard sale artist with a slick pitch. Just let people know about how the products you endorse can benefit them. Be sincere and genuine, but don't turn them off with a high-powered, hard sell campaign. The company that produces the product already has well-researched sales materials in place. You will find a lot of success by using this advice, along with your affiliate marketing plan. By applying what you have learned and continuing to educate yourself, you can make significant profits. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.